how to screen mirror your iPad Air M4 on your television using Wi-Fi. So let's get started. First of all, on your TV, you may have to change a few settings before starting. This is an LG TV, but it works with almost all smart TVs. So step number one, take your remote and go into the inputs of your TV. This is the button I need to press on my LG TV. And from here, I will go in Home Dashboard if you have an LG TV. If not, you may see something that is called AirPlay. Once you open AirPlay, go over here and it will tell you first of all on which Wi-Fi network the TV is currently connected to. Your iPad needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network if you want this to work. And on some TVs, you will also have an on-off button for AirPlay. If you have one, well, make sure that it's turned on. On the iPad itself, you're going to drag down from the top right corner and you're going to select this icon. It's two rectangles. It will scan for all the TVs, all the screens that are around it, and your TV should appear here. This is mine, WebOS TV. Okay, that's my LG TV. Tap on it. It will ask you for a code. The code will appear instantly on the screen of your LG or whatever TV, 4942 in my case. So I'll go ahead and type it. Yours will be different, so there's no point of copying my code. Okay, press OK, and usually it should start, here we go, in just a few seconds. Right now I'm streaming whatever is on my screen, on my iPad, on my TV. Depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is at home, you may have some lag, or sometimes you may also not have if you have a really quick Wi-Fi router. In my case, there is a lag. If you want to use the full screen of your TV, obviously you'll need to switch your iPad to landscape mode, and now as you see it will cover a lot more real estate. If you want to put an end to this, simply go back on your iPad in the same settings, these rectangles, stop mirroring, and it has stopped. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.